Hey, welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to walk you through the basics of WordPress to advanced levels, showing you everything you need to know building websites with WordPress. In fact, people think building websites with WordPress is a lot complicated. I'm here to tell you it's not. In fact, it's fun building websites with WordPress. WordPress is a content management system and is basically a platform we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. So if you could learn how to install a theme, if you could learn how to manipulate that theme, you should be on your way to building a beautiful website without hassles. I'm here to walk you through all the basics, everything you need to know in this playlist. My name is Solomon and I'm your instructor for this course. If you're excited, let's get a tutorial started. As I said, WordPress is a content management system. It's a platform we use to manage our website, starting from website files, website design, and everything about the website. There's something we call plugins and themes inside of WordPress. A plugin is just a way of adding extra functionality to your website. So if you know what plugin you'll be using or what plugin you need to perform a certain function and you install that plugin on your website, you are on your way to building an amazing website. WordPress was first designed in the mindset of blogging, but now WordPress has developed to an extent where you can develop e-commerce websites, social networking websites, learning management system websites, and the rest. We have WordPress themes, and a theme is nothing but the design. It's just a piece of software that changes the look of our website. So if you know the kind of theme you need for your website or the kind of appearance design you need for your website, then there's a theme for that particular design. In fact, we have different themes in the market. We have Astra theme and all different themes. Most themes are compatible with page builders. That means if you install this theme, you'll be using a page builder like Elementor, Breezy, and other page builders to help you customize your pages without touching a line of code. I'm here to tell you it's not complicated building websites with WordPress. Before we start, let me explain the differences between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a self-hosted platform where you can build your website. But the problem is, it's also free building websites with WordPress.com. But the problem is when you build websites with WordPress.com, you don't have full control over your website. Your website can get suspended, your website can get deleted, and you have limitations to regards to what you can do with WordPress.com. Okay, and the disadvantage too is your website will be your website name.wordpress.com. You don't have full control over your website name. On the other hand, we have WordPress.org. WordPress.org is a content management system, as I said, and when you have WordPress.org managing your websites, you'll be able to customize your theme. You'll be able to install whatever theme you want to use on your website. You also own your domain name and have full functionalities and flexibility with your website. Okay, so we'll be using WordPress.org, not WordPress.com. With that being said, let me show you what we're going to be learning. So in this course, we're going to learn the introduction to WordPress, how to install WordPress, installing themes and plugins, different ways of building websites, different kind of websites you can build with this platform. From there, we'll also be learning about the WordPress dashboard, everything you need to know about your dashboard. This is where you manage your website, especially your website pages, media, and your settings as well. So if you're excited to see this entire course, be sure to watch the second video, everything you need to know to get started with WordPress. I'm Solomon and I'm your instructor, and I'm excited to see you all here in this tutorial. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.